Hi, Jack. Conrad here. Um, I was just thought maybe I don't know if this will be helpful to you or not, but I thought I'd show you a little bit about how you can work with Piano Manager for putting your tunings together into files that you might they might be more useful to you. So anyway, what I've done here is this is the a SAT file, okay, and you can tell that because it has the special pages down here. Okay, starting 123, you have special pages. So let's just start with these for now, with the SAT file for now. Okay, I'm going to go open up another version of Piano Manager. Okay, what did I do here? Okay, open up another version of Piano Manager. I have to do it this way. Okay, so now I've got two instances of Piano Manager on my screen right now. And for doing this, let's I found the what I call Potter Con tunings. So let's open up one of those files. Now it happens to be a library file, but that doesn't matter for now. I'm going to go ahead and open that file. So let's find it, file, open, and I know where it is. It's in C and users, Bob, and documents. That's supposed to be, and then AccuTuner stuff. Oops. And then here we go. And okay, let's look for a lib file. Okay, so I'm going to find a lib file, and it'll show me these. So here's bank one of that group. Okay, so this is, I think, what may be in your AccuTuner, or may have been put in your AccuTuner. You see, this is all confusing for me to see, but you can see page 1 going down to page 70, and again, then 71 up to page 140. But let's say there's a group of tunings in here that you want in your AccuTuner. Okay, so first of all, let's go ahead and delete some tunings out of here. In fact, you could delete all of them, but let's just delete the regular tunings, and we'll leave the special pages. Let's say you want to create a SAT file that has those special pages on there. So let's go ahead and delete this. I'm going to press the delete key on the keyboard after they're highlighted, and that'll remove them. Okay, now let's say in here you want to put all these Baldwins in your okay, and the Becksteins, and boy, you're doing a lot of Bosendorfers. Oh man, and you're doing all these Kawais. Yeah, you'll want all those, and you'll even want some Kimballs. Well, let's just do them. Let's just do all 122 of them. Okay, okay. Let's say you want all of those in your AccuTuner. All right. Well, now that you've got them highlighted, all you need to do is click and then put that over at the front and put them right there. And there they are. And your special pages are right at the bottom. Okay. So now you just have to file and then save it as whatever you want to save it. And put it where you want to put it, navigate to where you want to put it, and save the name, and that's the way you can do that. Okay, so now you have you have got that SAT file with all your special pages and all of those Potter tunings. Okay, and if you wanted to save it, that's fine. Otherwise, let's just delete this and let's go at this another way. Go ahead and delete the whole thing. I assume you have a backup. If you don't, you should have by now. Okay, I'm pressing the delete key. Okay, now you've got a blank slate. All right, so now let's say you've got another tuning that you want to, another group of tunings that you want to put there. So let's say that you want to do, let's open another group of tunings. How about bank 3? Oh no, let's do bank 2. Let's open bank 2, and this has some of my tuning, so that it's a little bit easier to see. And you want to put all of these over there, or just these from here on over. Okay, just highlight them. and then hold down index finger, regular click, and there they are. Okay, now if you wanted to pick and choose, let's say you wanted to add the Yamahas, add some Yamahas to this group. Add these over there, so again. Okay, 19, you've got a few left, so let's add the harpsichords. Okay. Okay, now let's say you want to add the special pages. Okay, so now you'll need to close this out. Well, no, let's just open up a file that has the special pages on it. So for those, we're going to go to a different place in my grouping, and all I'm going to be looking for is Piano Manager file or SAT files. Okay, so let's pick this, and now we just do the same here. Highlight these, and then slide them over there to one. Whoops, there's going to be an extra page, but that's okay. We can fix that. Oops, didn't catch it. There we go. See, we're still 139. We're still a piano short. Okay, so let's say that of all of these, you're happy, but you just got to have this Story and Clark console. Okay, let's slide it over and put it on page 122. Oops, I didn't catch it. Oh, I guess I did. Where did I put it? I didn't put it anywhere. Okay, you got to have the Story and Clark console. So let's highlight that, and then let's slide it over, put it right there. 140. And then you've got your special pages. Okay, now when you go to save it, File, and you have to make sure, do I want to save it as a SAT file or do I want to save it as a lib file? And so all you have to do that is go File, and then Save As, and here you've got a name, and you can save it as a SAT file or as a lib file. Okay, it doesn't matter. And I wonder what some of these are. This might be a good group for you. Okay, well let's where are these? Oh, those are my Piano Manager files. Okay, well let's cancel this, and let's file, open here, file, open here. Let's go to these PM files, and then okay, these Goodwin tunings. What are these? Oops, I need to be. Those should be those. I guess they're lib files. Let's see. I'm trying to send. These might be the ones. Let's see what we want to put in. Let's open Bank 1. Okay, these look like mine. Okay, those are mine. So let's say you wanted to put these in your AccuTuner, in your okay, it's got too many. First of all, C141, so that's not going to work. Is a duplicate in here somewhere? Maybe this is a duplicate. 39. There's 3 of those. I wonder what those are. Oh, they are slightly different. I tweaked those a little bit. Okay. Well, anyway, you've got an extra page here. So this Sommer is, you have to put that on another page or something. And but because it won't go in there. So let's just do 100 and, see right now this is a library file, and you want to put it in there to just fill up the first 122 pages. So let's go ahead and highlight 122. Well, let's delete these first. Okay, I'm hitting the delete key now. Okay, and now I'm going to highlight these. First 122, oops. A shift key and then highlight, of course. Okay, and then I'm going to, okay, now you've got a SAT file with all of these, with my tunings on it. Then again, File, and then Save As, and make sure you pick the right, you want a SAT file. And of course, navigate over to whichever folder, wherever you want it, wherever you want to put it in here. I'm sure you got it, you know how to do all this, but anyway, you can put it wherever you want to. And then I'll put it in my SAT directory, just for fun. And we'll date it today, 20/07/02. And there you go. That's that. All right. And if we want to open that, let's open that up over here. File, open. Over here, we want to go to the SAT Okay, and we should see it when we get the right folder. Should be a SAT file in there. There it is. Now it's the same in both places. All right. I don't know if this is helpful or not. I don't know if this is where you were, but I know you got some. You had some, what do we call it, corruption there, and so anyway, if you can find some files or you want some files or whatever, but this is just a little bit of working around in Piano Manager. I thought you might find helpful. Okay, Jack. Take care. See ya. Bye.